Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sucheta Yambal and today I will be discussing about SQL, that is Structured Query Language, which is often used with databases like Oracle. Content for today's topic include Introduction to SQL, Introduction of DBMS and RDBMS, Commands in SQL which has DDL, DML and TCL, and demonstration of DDL and DML commands. Data is the heart and soul of any organization, and to manage it effectively, data is stored in the form of tables. These tables store data in the form of rows and columns. Rows are also called as tuples and columns are also known as attributes. Related tables, when stored together, will form a database. A database management system manages incoming data, organizes it, and provides ways for the data to be modified or extracted by users or other programs. To name a few, MySQL, Microsoft Access, FoxPro are well-known DBMS in the market. A DBMS that is based on the relational theory of mathematics is called as an RDBMS. In relational database management system, we can link tables to extract data from more than one table at a time. Not just this, relationship between table helps implement constraints effectively to control redundancy and trace illegitimate data. Oracle and MySQL are some of the examples of RDBMS. SQL is used to communicate with a database. According to ANSI, that is American National Standards Institute, it is the standard language for relational database management systems. SQL statements are used to perform tasks such as update data on a database or retrieve data from a database. Although most database systems use SQL, few of them also have their own additional proprietary extensions that are usually only used on their system. However, the standard SQL commands such as select, insert, update, delete, create, and drop can be used to accomplish almost everything that one needs to do with a database. Mostly, SQL commands are divided into following three categories: DDLs, that is data definition language, DML, that is data manipulation language, and DCL, that is data control language. DDL is used to create, alter, and drop database objects like tables and views. DML is used to manipulate the data in the database. It includes commands like select, insert, update, and delete. And DCL deals with controlling the kind of data access to the database and also used for transaction control. DCL includes grant and revoke for data access control and commit and rollback as transaction control commands. Data in Oracle is case sensitive, whereas commands are not. Let us get started with this tip, and to understand the core concept, I'll again say that DDL deals with the structure of the table, be it creating a table, altering the structure of the table, or dropping it altogether. First, let me create a table named student. Running SQL command line in Oracle will show you the following interface. Now I'll say connect, type in my username and password. It will connect me to the database engine. Let me create a table named student. Number, varchar2, date are few of the basic data types in Oracle. As you can see, the message displayed here is table created, which indicates that the table of desired structure is created. By default, you are the owner of the objects that you create. For example, here I am the owner of this table that I have created. Further, if we wish to see the description of our table, I'll type this statement will let me see column names and data types of my table along with the constraint if I have put any. Now I'll demonstrate how to insert data in this table. While inserting data, one thing has to be kept in mind, that the character data should be inserted in single quotes, whereas the numeric data can be inserted as it is. Date data also has to be inserted in single quotes. Let me insert few more records. Here I have inserted 3 records for our reference. Moving ahead, let me show you how all this data that we have inserted in our table looks like. For that, we will have to type select star from student. Here the symbol star stands for all the columns of the object table. And now we can see the complete records, that is 3 records that we have inserted in our table. At this point of time, I would like you to do a quick recall. Can you tell me whether alter is a DDL or a DML command? You can pause this video and think for a minute. Yes, as you must have rightly guessed, alter is a DDL command. Let me demonstrate you the alter table command. By using the alter table command here, I am trying to remove a column named contact number. As you can see that the table is now altered, and to see the modifications that are expected in the structure of the table, let me again say describe and name of my table, that is describe students. As you can see it here, the data along with the column is completely eliminated. Let me also show you the data. So now the contact number column does not exist along with the data. Similarly, we can also add new column to the table with alter command. At this point, I like all of you to please try your hand at alter table command to add a new column to the table student. It is a bit similar to how we have dropped the column from the table student. You can pause this video for a minute and give it a try. Now, you can check what you have written along with the demonstration which I am giving you now. Let me demonstrate how to add a new column to the table, and you can check your answer from the journal. Now, again we'll see the description of the table to take a look at the modifications done to the structure of the table. So, see, a new column named mobile number is added to the table's structure. To see the content of the table, we'll say see, as you can see, since MOB number is a new column, there is no data in this column. To insert data in this column, we will have to use update command. Where see, now since I have specified ID equal to 1 in where clause and two records were having their ID as 1, so now two records will have mobile number as 9822344150. Let me show you in the table itself. See. Now, finally, we'll see delete and drop commands. Delete command is used to delete records from the table. One row is deleted. Here, I have specified the condition as ID equal to 3. If I would not have specified this condition, the entire data from a table would have been deleted. So specifying the condition in where clause helps identify the exact row that needs to be deleted. Last but not the least, we will see the drop command. Drop table command has the syntax of drop table table name. So let us see it by an example. Drop table student. The moment I press enter, entire table student along with the data and structure will be deleted. See. Firing the same command, that is select star from student, if I wish to see the data from the table student, since the table does not exist, it will not show me any data. Today, we have seen the demonstration of all the DDLs and DMLs using SQL. I hope this video will be of some help to clarify your concepts in SQL. Thanks for listening.